Hey guys, it's me. We're back at it again, and today, as you remember from our unboxing video, we finally got it out. We've charged it, and let's show you how to turn it on. You can see it got the charger. There, we turned it on, but let's turn it off now so it's a battery. As you can see, there is our battery. But as you can see, if we flip this open, there's our charger for the car. So let's turn it on. Boop. See now. Switch this on. Look, see this blinking light? That means it's trying to pay out. Now look. See, it's off. So, time to show you. Look at the car. Cool. Look at that. Oh, it's doing donuts, bro. It's turning. Look at it turning. Whoa. And I'm using, oh, you should have seen that. It did like a 360. Okay. The turning is kind of hard. This is also $20. Pretty expensive. Oh, you see that drift, guys? That's epic. Look, that's without the boot. Whoa. Oh my god. There's some buttons on here. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Whoa. Look at me. This thing can't handle. It's so fast. Whoa. Watch this, guys. Ready? The donut. Call this the donut. Whoa. Oh, God. And also, and let's show you how it actually works. It's not four-wheel drive. See, that's forward. You can see it's actually it's not a strong motor, though it is very tiny, right? So you can see to turn is literally just doing the opposite direction. See that? Here, watch. This one, you can rotate, okay? So yeah, and the front wheels are just moved by themselves. So, bye!